Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So in today's video we have a new retro obscure system. This is the video game system D30. I bought this big pile of 8-bit system because I just wanted to show here on the channel what kind of weird stuff we're having. And this one is from our friends from China, I'm guessing. So this is what we're going to get. This one comes in a very nice box, in a totally different way of packaging it up. Sometimes they have some weird stuff going around, like styrofoam with plastic around it. This one is just original box. Alright, there's no big information on it, so, and most of the things I cannot read, so let's do a little one unboxing. Okay, are you ready for it? Let's see what we're going to get. Alright, let's check the controllers. Ooh, more like mutated, weird knockoff, how do you want to call it? Famicom controllers. Wow, these buttons are sticking out very high. Look at this, this is not normal. Let's smell it. No chemical plastic, okay. They feel very flimsy, come in a very long flimsy cable. It's still brand new, by the way. I bought it used. Alright, let's see what comes more in the packaging. And we have in here, oh, it seems to be it's a lagging of an EV out cable and power supply, but that's not a big problem. I have a couple of laying around. The deluxe toilet paper manual with information, cannot read it. Alright, the system itself. The reason I'm doing it, maybe it's flipping over. No. Oh, whoa. Quality. Okay, let's see what we're going to get. We have a power, reset, joystick 1, joystick 2. Let's see at the back. Ooh, we having no motor. We're having 2 for signal output. And I almost want to say stereo, but it's not really stereo. AC, DC in, and the video out. Alright, there's nothing else. Let's see the information about the 9 volts. Oh, this is new. 250 milliamps, that is pretty low. Normally they go around for 500 up to 800 milliamps for a system like this. Alright, there's no rubber feet, so here's what we're going to get. Let's hook it up and let's see if there are built-in games, and otherwise I'm just going to grab a Famicom card and stick it in. Because I'm very curious, what is the signal output? Alright, attempt number 1. Boot up without the game installed. Oh, that starts just great. Okay, let's grab a Famicom card. Alright? There is no signal. Let's clean the cartridge, maybe that helps. So cleaning the connector, that helps. The cartridge was basically clean, brand new. Alright, let's test it out with this cool baby phone 101. Whoa, I see some big massive glitching, and this is not the cartridge. I can tell you already. There's a serious issue with this freaking system. Alright. Other game. I think I did it. No. I can't go up with... Why can't I get... Yeah, of course he's hitting me. Whoa, I'm getting attacked from all sides. Ah! I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but when I have this black background, you can see some interference in the screen. So the output of the system is not the best. Oh, I need to collect the candy or what? I'm a mummy and collecting candy that an angel is throwing at me. Oh, I played this game so much on the Game Boy. No, I can go down. Ooh. Oh, I need to press down or what? Oh yeah, I need to press down with the door going down. I'm getting there. Yeah, they got me cornered. Come upstairs. Come. Oh, you fell for the trick. Oh, yeah, the boxing glove. Come on. Oh, crap. Come on, man. What the hell is this? Alright, yo, people, for the final conclusion. So what do I think of this thing? Maybe for the collecting part of it, it's fun to have. But the signal output is pretty messed up, if you ask me. Compared with the other clone system I've reviewed, there are some having a good signal output. So this, it's a fun collectible. The control itself, flimsy feel to it, but they play very nice. I don't know what up when powering on. Maybe it had built-in games, but it showed up some messed up images. So in overall, if it has built-in games, really don't know. It plays the games fine. The build quality of the system is not bad. This is what you're going to get. But I thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell for upcoming Wicked videos. And if you're into gaming, check out the Wicked Gaming channel. See you next time. Bye bye.